Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. So in this video we will discuss some of the more things about STL. Mainly we will discuss the stack which I have told to you. Now in the previous video we have discussed priority queue. Now what is priority queue? I have told you that the element whose priority is the maximum will be stored at first, then all the elements whose priority will be less than, then they will store according to that. Now in queue we have push, size, element, empty, top and pop. These 5 operations are there. So in this stack also there are only these 5 operations are only there. Now first of all, the first thing, what are the benefits of this stack? So in this all 5 operation, stack only just use O of 1 complexity, means it is approximately negligible when you will take it for not that much high value. If you take it for lower values, then it will be approx negligible. It is very less than as compared to all the other insertion and that. Now in this case, if you want to define a stack, how you will define? In place of priority queue, you have to just write stack. So like this we will implement, and now if we run the code, we will find out what is our answer. So what it should come, first of all 5 should come, which will be the size, then 43 will come, then 15, then 1, then 31, sorry 131, then 1212. This value will be coming. Now why this value will be coming, we will understand after coming the output. Let's check that what is output. So we got our output. Now you can check that the first element which is inserted will be at the last, the second last, so second value will be at the second last, third value will be at third last, fourth value will be at the fourth last, and the last value will be at the first. So in this reverse is happening. It is just like a book stack. If you keep the first book, on top of it you will keep second book, then on top of that you will keep the third book, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, like this. Now when you will pick the books, only the top book can be picked. After that the second book can be picked, then third book can be picked. So like this stack is happening in this also. So this is similar to a book stack. You can take the example of book stack. It will be a very good example for this data type. Now in this, first of all we will push. It is just similar to priority queue, but in priority queue we have a priority, and in the stack we does not have any priority. We just insert the values, and the last value which we have inserted will be on the top. Now it is very useful in competitive when the question is of this type. In the recent competition of CodeChef, it is according to me a cook-off competition. So in that a question came in which direct stack implementation is there. For the solution you can refer my channel. In the channel I have given the solution for that. That was just direct implementation of a stack. You does not require to do anything. So sometimes this type of question also comes on stack. So if you have a command on stack, you can easily solve these type of questions. So this is all about stack what we are going to discuss. So in the next video we will discuss map and multi-map. So if you want to study map and multi-map, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. And if I forgot something, please comment it down. I'll definitely cover that topic in the next video, or if more topics are there, then I'll cover make a new video. Thank you guys.